So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to use Hoplinks on Clickbank. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer. As you can see, I've opened my Google Chrome, but you can choose whichever web browser you want to use. And then type right here clickbank.com. So guys, after coming on the website, you have to click on login and you have to enter your email and password, and then you have to click on login, and then you'll guys get on this page and you have to click on affiliate marketplace. Now click on top offers, and let's say you want to promote this, and then you have to click on promote and you have to enter your nickname right here. So let's say I want to share this on my Instagram, then I'll type Instagram, and then you have to click on create hop link. So now guys, this link will get a hold of all the activities that this link can get on the Instagram. And that's how you can use the hop links of Clickbank. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you guys share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos. And thanks for watching.